The Smart Snapping feature in Silhouette Studio will help to keep all of your design elements aligned throughout the process. I'll show you where to find this feature, how to use it, and if you're part of the designing community that finds it completely annoying, how to turn it off. I'll also share some useful tips on transferring your weeded image to your project, so settle in and hang out with me for a few minutes. Let's go to the Page Setup panel on the right-hand side of the screen. You want to go to the second tab. Smart Snapping is in the second section, and you can toggle it on and off by checking this box. But before you completely make up your mind to shut it down and forget about it, let's take a look at how I use it to create my designs. Welcome back to Silhouette Success. If you are new around here, I'm Brenda Lambert. I'm a TJC licensed instructor for Silhouette. Go ahead and say hey in the comments. Let me know where you're from, and I hope that you'll join our little crafting community. Now, this design that I'm working on today is super cute, so let's do this. I'm going to create a 10 by 10 square for my template and then start on my text, since that is the main focus of this sign. You're going to want to watch for the blue lines when I start putting everything together. Those are Smart Snapping guides, and they will let you know when things are lined up. I'm going to bring in an SVG of some weeds. It's going to overlap my text, so I'll select the elements that are touching and weld them together. That will eliminate the extra cut lines. It will also ungroup anything that isn't connected, so this is the perfect time to get rid of this bee. Now I'll group that section to keep everything in place. I'm going to add a few more elements here and get everything set. I use the knife feature to trim the honeycombs. That looks good. Now let's see how well these tiny pieces cut. If you found this video helpful so far, please take a second to hit the like button so other crafters can see it too. I really do appreciate the help. Okay, the flight pattern did not read well at all, but we'll fix that in a minute. The flowers weeded perfectly. Now, I cut my transfer tape, but I'm only going to peel back about 1/2 inch of the backing. That way, I can get it lined up on my vinyl perfectly without a fight. I get it set in place, then peel the rest of the paper as I lay the tape on the design. This minimizes wrinkles. Next, I lay parchment paper on top of the vinyl and just leave about 1/4 inch uncovered. This allows me to get my design centered perfectly. Once everything is lined up, I remove the parchment paper and smooth out the vinyl. If you want to see more of the design process, check out this video here. Or go create something amazing, and I'll see you in the next video.